How to refer a friend on PrizePicks. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to refer a friend on PrizePick and get rewarded for it. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open your browser in your PC, and then in the search bar search for refer a friend PrizePick. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on the first one that says prizepick.com. Once you tap on the first link that pops up, this will take you to their official referral page. Scroll down a bit and you will see where can I find my referral code. So on the PrizePick mobile app, you can go ahead and tap on the Get Cash tab at the bottom of your toolbar, and if you're on a web browser, click on Invite Friend at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your unique referral invite code. It usually starts with PR at the beginning. So how does it work? Share this code with your friends, and when they sign up for PrizePick, they'll enter your promo code during the sign up process. To make sure you get bonus, they must enter the code correctly while signing up, and they must also complete their first deposit. If they skip this, you won't be getting any referral reward. So if your friend used your code but you didn't get the bonus, it's usually because they either did not enter it correctly or didn't make their first deposit yet. So double check these steps with them, and that's it guys. That's how you invite friends to PrizePick and earn a referral bonus. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.